what was it, Hot? It was something stupid like that, and I forgot what the other one was. Hello? Finally. Alright, uh, let's see, what do I want this time? Did you pick sunglasses? No, I'm asking 'cause, ah, maybe. Yeah, that was interesting. Yeah. Not shark teeth. Eh, okay, fine, we'll go with vampire. Close enough. Alright. Okay. Alright, let's go for this. Alright, now I'm gonna draw this a different color. Hold on. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go with a blue one, so it's gonna go. So what is this thing? This is spinning, this circle thing that's supposed to be it's, I did I tr yes, hula hoop, you got it, HULA space HOOP. You got it. Alright. Oh, Yahoo. What about Yahoo? Yeah, I don't know. I always search on Google, so uh, oh, we can correct that after the game. What the heck? Kind of looks like a sideways face. Or is that the state? It's 2 potatoes. Oh, there's an N in there. Ba, 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 ba. Oh. Oh, yeah, that does kinda look like it. Right. Alright, let's see if we can do this. Uh, 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 oh, let's just chill, dude. No. Yeah, that's better. It's not a donut. It's not a donut. Alright, now it's gonna be a and this is not a pitchfork. Alright, so then what no, how is that a bagel? No, these are vegetables. It's more than one, so it's plural. There you go. Bagel. It that does not look like a bagel. I've never seen any green stuff on a bagel, ex unless it was, like, bad, you had, when you if you see green stuff on a bagel, that means you throw it in the garbage. I don't know, here, let tell me what you're drawing, I can help you out. Yellow. Oh, hold on, let me see if I got it. Hypixel. Is that too many letters? That's too many letters. Uh, I Oh, I gotcha now. Yay for me. Okay, what oh, maybe this okay, let's do it. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. It was easy. Hey, hooray, finally, I keep telling you to look up there. You got it. You don't even what is it? If it's not a coal, what is it? Oh, it's a place. Oh, places. Gotcha. Uh, no, not Italy. Wait, you said a jacket or whatever, but then you said, "No, it's like places," and now it's a coat. Oh, no, it's that doesn't fit. Uh, a coat similar to a coat? Uh, places. Oh, nature. Uh, uh, oh, that was a total guess. That was a total guess there. Oh, okay. I didn't cheat nothing. How did I cheat? I totally guessed there. Alright, we'll go with you. Okay, hold on. You don't know nothing. Nope, you don't know. Alright, hold on. Uh, we'll just do whatever. We'll go something like this. Okay, it's not that. It's not this. Alright, now I'm drawing what it's supposed to be. What is it? It's only one, so it's not plural. Alright, you got it. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I wouldn't know how to draw root beer. Besides a can, brown can. Yeah, he's good with drawing. I can't draw with a mouse. Uh-huh. Okay, keep drawing what you're supposed to be drawing. Oh, ice cream. Oh, duh. That's it. Probably. Oh, that was terrible. Maybe not. Mhm. Okay, this is what that's not a ladybug. That's, like, supposed to be Superman or something. That's not a person. That's a building. No, what am I pointing to? The red what? There you go. He's flying so fast, his head turned kinda flat. What was that? Huh? Pop? What? Ooh, I know what it is. I know what it is. I know what it is. No, it's not cake, okay. I'm out of guesses. Not a cloud. Brown. Still brown. Sure, gotcha. It's a store, got it. Okay. And the store has eyes. Yes, the poor humans, gotcha. Yes, gotcha. Okay. I'm still following, got it. Okay, alright, uh-huh. Okay, okay, um, okay, well, I'm not getting anything with this other than I have an A, but that's about it. Um, oh, I had an S and an A, so I kinda, guessed with the 2 letters that were left. Gotcha. No, you got it, you got it. You won. Uh, I know. Subscribe to Creepypasta. No. Make what? Wait, wait. Make what? What did you say? Make what? Lights? Oh, likes. Gotcha. Never mind. Continue.